How to check the model number on your MacBook. So this is useful if you want to find out if you have a MacBook Pro or a MacBook Air. It will also show you the model number and the specifications on your computer. So all you need to do is click on the Apple logo in the top left hand side and then press About this Mac. Now from here you'll see that we're using a MacBook Air, and down in the description you'll see the serial number. Now if you want to find out the exact model of Mac that you're using, then you'll need to go and copy this serial number and then go and open up an internet browser. From an internet browser, type in check Apple coverage and press search. Click on this top website, which is checkcoverage.apple.com. You'll then need to scroll down to the serial number and go and paste in the serial number that you copied. You can then enter the verification code and press submit. Now from here, it will show you the full description of your computer. So you can see I have a MacBook Air 15-inch M3 chip and a 2024 model. You'll also be able to see when you purchase the MacBook as well.